Today I will show you how to connect a Canon printer to Windows laptop easily. Right now I have a Canon G4780 Mega Tank printer. First step is to install the Canon Print app. So go to Windows laptop and open the Windows Microsoft Store. In the search box type Canon Print and press enter. Now install this app by clicking on the install button. Now wait for few seconds. So the app was installed. Open the app. Accept all the conditions, then click on OK, then Next. Click on the Setup Now button. As you can see, it will checking the items to be downloaded, and it is downloading. Click on Yes to proceed. Allow the location permissions. Click on Next. My printer is already turned on. Now it is searching for the printer. And my printer is detected. Click to connect now. This printer is connecting to network. Now it says to select the network because my laptop is connected to 5 GHz network and this printer supports only 2.4 GHz network. Select the network. In my case, it is TP-Link 2.4. Then click on Next. It will process and take few seconds. And finally the printer is connected to network. Now it will be downloading the printer's software and drivers. Again, it will take a couple of minutes. Now click on Next to align the printer head. And click on the Test Print button for testing the printer. Hopefully this helped you to set up your Canon printer. If you have any queries, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.